it's Rob, and welcome to Axel's Garage. It's Axel's Garage, I swear. But yeah, that's an OBS Ford behind me. It's a 93 F-150. We haven't even talked about this vehicle yet, but I couldn't get the tailgate open. And I'm replacing the tailgate latch, and I said, well, I can't do it without making a video, so here we go. Well, the tailgate would not open, so what I did was I took out this back panel. Back panel had some Torx screws in it. They're a little on the bigger side. They're bigger than a 25, but they're not like giant like a 50. So they're somewhere in between. They were in my cheapo Ryobi kit. So buzzed them out, took the back panel off, squeezed these two guys together, and we're able to get the tailgate open. No big deal. I ordered a latch. Yep, it's a Dorman. 77052 is the part number. I'm hoping that the latch is broken. Looking in here, I do see a broken piece of metal right here. I hope that's part of the latch. I haven't checked yet. And there were two nuts on there. You can see the one is still there, partially loose. They're 10mm heads, so they were completely rusted in there. So I had to do it with an impact. Got those two nuts off, and the studs for the handle fell back. Now we got to see if we can get that handle out. I'm going to pick the tailgate up. Let me clean all this stuff off the tailgate first. All right, so now with the tailgate up, let's see here what we have. This just come out. Yep. All right, this just comes out like that. And let's take a look and see what's broken. Yep, right there. That piece of rusty metal is supposed to be connected, like that side where it's connected. All right. Now let's hope that that 77052 is the right one. Oh, nut. Where's my other nut? There were two nuts. I should have got the nuts before I lifted the tailgate. Crapola. All right, let me look and see if I can find the nut in all the scourge that I cleaned out of the bed earlier. All right, so my nut was right over here. I didn't lose it. This is a little rusty, a little dirty, so I'm gonna come in with some lube. I'm gonna start off with some Seafoam Deep Creep. It's a penetrating oil, I know, but I wanna get in there and lube it up. But I'm also going to do, let that soak through and get in all the nooks and crannies. And let's take a look at this thing here. All right, let's hope that this lasts. This looks like it's a lot cheaper metal than the original, which you would assume would be the case. All right. I'm going to put some lube. I'm going to put some lube on the two studs there. Because they were pretty grimy. Now this, I believe, has to go on that side. They come up, and this goes down like that. Okay, I think that's the way that's supposed to go. So let's get the nuts started. And that's the way that works. Okay, so that's good. I'm going to tighten down with an actual 1/4-inch ratchet, because I don't like tightening with stuff like this with an impact. That one was taking forever. That's snug like that. I'm going to spray a little more deep creep. In the pivot points where the handle is, because I think that's why the old handle broke, is because it really dried up in there. All right, now that I got the deep creep in there, I'm going to take some of this red and tacky, and I am going to just put a little in where the hole is there, right there. And hopefully with the wet deep creep on it, it's gonna make this stuff kind of fall where it needs to fall. There's a brush and put the red and tacky on the metal that we don't want to rust and break, and clean it off of the place where it's going to fall through and get on your hands when you open the tailgate, because you don't want that either. Nice. So now I'll make my panel that is supposed to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 of these screws. The T30s, I'm going to put the 4 in that were in it, and you know what, maybe I'm going to put the 3 in that were in it, and then I'm going to keep one out, and I'm going to see if I can just find some other random screws that I can stick into this panel. It gets a plastic tailgate cover, but close. We could take the little plastic off, and nice. Tailgate closes nice, tailgate opens nice. All right, quick video, putting a tailgate handle. Where'd I go? Holy cow, the sun's not reacting, eh? So, quick video, replacing that tailgate handle on an OBS Ford. More to come with this thing. We don't know what we're doing with it, where we're going with it. We just bought it on a whim so that we had something. Robbie's cutting the grass. There he is. That's the noise, but that's the video. Comment below. Let me know what you think. More to come with this truck. Here's that tailgate handle there. How about a thumbnail? As always, thanks for watching.